working on writing and evaluating numerical and algebraic expressions today. Based on what we have yesterday, I what do you call that? Instead of doing this tomorrow, I think I was thinking that we're gonna do it today, right? So our goal is still to write and evaluate algebraic expressions using properties, keywords, and order of operations. So we'll play Kahoot to review, right? Evaluating numerical and algebraic expressions. So the rule gonna be, you had to play the game to get the credit. No game, no credit. So I revises a rule for Kahoot. Usually the first 5 will get 105. This time, the top one, whoever our top one is, will get 110 points. And then the next 4 will get 105. And the rest of the players will get 100 points. As long as you play the game. Let's say you go in Kahoot and then you're just there. You don't even answer at least one of the questions or 2. You don't even participate. Then that's still no credit. That's still not playing the game. All right. So if you go back to your Google Classroom, I'm gonna put this as a assessment. This is a good grade. Everybody get 100 as long as you participate, right? So unless you have a question for that and graded you according to your score in Kahoot, then I'll take it that way. All right. Anybody else? No question? We could proceed? Okay, it's okay. So with that,
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
How would you know if someone didn't answer any questions?
Oh, there is a report, John. At the end of the game, teacher, because I am a teacher, so there is a report at the end. Okay, well, let's try to play this Kahoot, people. So here we go. Question number 1. A number increased by 5. Go ahead, guys. Write your answer down. I'm expecting everyone.
Someone got it wrong.
Well, it's okay. I'm just gonna expect everybody gonna get this right. You should get this right. Everyone should.
This one is very obvious.
Obviously, there's only one that says that way. Wow, really? The star or this point is what do you call that? Multiplication. All right. And I don't know why we got power. That doesn't say any power at all. So let's go to the next question and let's see who got this first. Ilya, you got 1,000 points right away. Question number 2. So simplify this problem. Let's go. Be careful. Orders of operation is still on at work.
Or do you have a 30th fraction or a division?
That's division. Fraction and division works the same way. Sean, you're not putting answers there. All right. So here we go. That is parenthesis first. So 30 divided by 30 is 1 times 15. That's 15. And this is 8 divided by 4 by 2, which is 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19.
I didn't do anything. I was doing the math.
Oh, let's do the math. Elliot is there. Do the math properly, guys. Order of operations still works. 4 times the sum of 4 and a number. 4 times the sum of 4 and a number.
I thought I misclicked, but I didn't.
Don't misclick. Why are you so in a hurry? I know, being fast.
This game is competitive.
I know, but once you misclick and then you got it wrong. I like the score, but I'm not happy of the orange one. So if it says 4 times what? The sum of 4 and a number, right? But if you say 4 times 4, then you could get the orange one. But it says 4 times the sum of 4 and number is a group. It's a binomial. So you are multiplying that 4 to the sum of that binomial. All right, that's why it needs parentheses. Without the parentheses, you're only multiplying it to 4. Next question. Elliot is still the top. No one is running high right now. So let's go to the next question. Again, order of operation works. 15 minus 8 plus n. What will it be if n is equivalent to 3?
Don't let me answer.
Just try clicking it. Wow, you guys say 12 in the chat, say 7. You're so funny. You do order operations.
I sabotage other players. This game is competitive.
So, okay, it's supposed to be from left to right. So, 15 minus 8 is 7 plus the n, which is 3. That gives you 10. So, please don't be fooled by the answers in the chat. Next question. And Zillan is up. Question 5. 4 less than a number. This is so obvious. You got this wrong? Oh boy. Tiffany. Just make sure you follow what you know. Not in the chat, guys. Okay, everybody got that right. I am so happy, even though there are some who didn't answer. But
I thought that was impossible, but everyone actually got it correct.
Correct, right? It's so amazing. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. Go to the next one. Zillan is still at the top. Question number 6. The product of 4 and a number decreased by 2. Oh my goodness, seriously?
I clicked the opposite. I clicked the green.
Oh boy.
It's supposed to be yellow.
Just give away.
Okay.
No, I try to play mind games on people.
Oh my god, you guys say decrease. The green one is addition. So, hello.
I didn't look at the question clearly.
Okay, listen, learn. We're gonna read it. Alright. Zillan is still up. Joy is coming there. And there are 3 players who have that power to go up. Question 7. The sum of 2 and 2 times a number. The sum of 2 and 2 times a number. One, 0. I'm expecting everyone to get it right. Oh my god, no. So, n to the power of 2 is not 2 times. It's the power of 2. 2 times is like 2 times. Very simple explanation. And here you got 2n plus 2n. It is a sum of 2 times a number. Can someone argue with me for the green one? Because I might reconsider if you could explain it to me well. Go ahead, Tiffany.
Mommy.
The question basically says the sum of 2, and then the first on the number is 2 and 2 times n.
So, what would be your answer for that one? I'm sorry.
That would be a different answer because it's 2 times n plus 2.
It says because 2n plus 2n it says a sum of 2 and 2 times the number. But others in the other class says that's 2n plus 2n, so it's 2 times the number, right? But then it's true, but it's not totally true because it is a sum of number 2 and 2 times a number. So that's why they argue with me for letter green, not the choices in green before. So, but thank you for that, Tiff. Let's go to next one. So Helena, take it over. So there are 4 players coming up now. Go ahead, next question. Take it easy with this, or the operation works. Go ahead. All right. It's not blue because I think you guys did 1 plus 3. That gives you...
I was trying to give trick people.
That 1 plus 3 is to the power of 2, that becomes 6, right? That's what you're thinking? 3 to the power of 2 is 6. That makes your answer is wrong because 25 minus 6 gives you 19.
3 to the power of 2 is 9.
But 3 to the power of 2 is not 6. John is correct. It is 9. It's 3 times 3 equals 9. So 25 minus 9, that's 16, not 19. Let's go. So Helena's still there. Raymond is running right there. Question number 9. A number decreased by 10. Everybody should get this correct. A number decreased by 10. All right. Wow. Everybody get it correct except for one. Decrease means minus. All right. It's not addition. So a number decreased by 10, and it should not be blue because there's no comparison word that tells us. Nice job. Helena's still on the top. Raymond is still next. Next question. 7 more than a number. Don't make this wrong.
I may have accidentally clicked something else.
Oh boy, oh boy. Be careful, be careful. Alright, misclicking it because you guys want to be fast. So orange is the correct one. So because of the word than, we're switching the comparison of the first term to the second term. Alright, next question. Who is up? Helena's still there. Raymond is still on the same spot. 11. So evaluate this one, guys. Some of you are quick. What's going on? Jerry, you want to download the hacks? You lost? Oh boy, 20 seconds. Somebody said red, yellow, green, another said blue. Lucas said red, red, red. Okay, so somebody really got fooled with that, right? If you notice, all of them are addition. So that is 2 to the power of 3. That is not 6. That is 8. Plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 is 24. I think you guys think that is 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2. Right? So don't fool around. Next question. Helena is still there. Oh, Raymond, where are you? Ada took your spot. All right, next question. Question 12. 6 less than twice a number. Pick one. Okay, it's spread out. Wow, I didn't realize you guys are listening to the chat or looking at the chat. So I'm gonna go here. So let's clear that out for a second. There is a word done, right? Um, go back to that. So word done is here, and I don't know how to write. And this is twice a number, 6 less. So we're gonna compare them, right? So twice a number, you could say 2x. 6 less is minus 6. And so since we're comparing it, so you're going to be 2x minus 6 instead of minus 6 plus 2x. So your answer is 2x minus 6. All right, so nice review. We're going to go next question. Helena is still up. Ada is next. Question number 13. 6 less 11 times a number. 6 less 11 times a number. All right. So I think you were thinking of the word than again, but we don't do that. There's no word like that here. It's straightforward. 6 less 11 times the number. So it's just 6 less 11 times the number, right? So if there's a word than in between, then that is going to be minus 6. But it's not. It's straightforward. 6 less 11. So there you go. Next, Selena's still up. Joy took over the second spot. Question 14. Evaluate 15 minus 6n if n is 1/3. Take it easy, Mohammed. Just enjoy it. It doesn't matter. As long as you try, remember, as long as you play, credits is given. Others said yellow, others said green. No one said blue, others said red. 23 seconds. I think I put this for 1 minute. It's a little bit long. There are only 26 answers. There should be 32 responses. 8 seconds. Okay. Wow, there are like 6 stranded ones. This is, some of you, I know what happened. Some of you did 15 minus 6, which is 9, times 1/3. That's why you got answer. No one even answered that. And I don't know how you get 27/6. But according to order of operation, you multiply first. So 6 times 1/3 gives you 2. And then 15 minus 2. That's where you get 13. All right, order operation works again. Helena is up and no one changed position. Very nice. Question 15. 7 subtracted from a number. I stress the word from a number. So 7 subtracted from a number. Go ahead. Okay. Wow. You guys really listen to people in the chat. It says from. So the word from is one of the keyword that we use to identify if we're comparing the first to the second or the second to the first. So in this case, a number 7 is subtracted from that number. So I subtracted 7 from A. That's how it is. Next question. Helena said, oh, no one changed position or keeping it up. Question 16, far away to go. Here, be careful again. 3c to the power of 2. What will it be if c is equivalent to 4? Is that yellow, John? I thought this is orange. It's not orange. What color is it? No, I mean, is this brown or something? I know that's blue. All right. Wow, it's spread out. You guys are funny, but most of you did 13. Oh, boy. According to order of operation, you do exponent first, right? So that becomes 3. If I gonna go, I have a little bit more time to work on this. So it says here, I gonna see the problem. So that is 3, parentheses, we know that's 4 to the power of 2. Order operation doesn't tell you to multiply first. It tells you to do exponent first. So that becomes 3. And 4 to the power of 2 is 16, not 8. And that's where you get 48. Oh boy. So only 6. You guys are spread out and you pick 12 to the power of 2, which is 144. Order operation tells you you are not correct. Sorry. I thought everybody got this correct. So figure it out, okay, for next in the real test. All right, Helena's still up. Joy and Jackie is coming up. Next, question 17. Evaluate 1.25n plus 10 if n is 4. I'll give you a minute for this. $20 seconds. I think I give more time for this one. Maybe because I was thinking it's decimal. But even though it's decimal, we could still do mental math. 2 seconds. All right. Let's see. Okay. I like that. I like that. So 1.25 times 4 is 5 plus 10. We got it for 15. Others got stranded for 12, but looks pretty good, pretty good. Next question. Helena's still up. Wow, no one could take out their places. A number doubled and increased by 5. A number doubled and increased by 5. A number doubled and increased by 5. Three seconds. I think John is giving you the right answer. So I thought you're gonna do exponent, but it doesn't say power though, guys. It says just double it. So double means times 2, right? So just 2y is the double. Y to the power of 2 is a power or exponent. It doesn't say double. Double means you multiply by 2. Alright, just hope you remember those keywords. Alright, Jackie's coming on. Next question. Second to the last question. Here is the power problem. 2 to the 5th power minus the product of 3 and a number. So let's read it again.
I misclicked.
Oh boy, Winnie. 2 to the 5th power minus the product of 3 and a number. One second. Actually, when you read it like slowly, you're gonna really see it. So almost everybody got it right, except for those 5 who like spread all over the place. Orange, it's 2 to the power of 5, but it says minus though, guys. The orange one, the yellow one is plus. I don't get that. Why are 5 people taking minus to becomes plus?
They must have looked in the chat, so they clicked it.
Oh my goodness!
the chat.
I told you not to listen to the chat. Last question. Math covers a floor that is 30 square foot. How many tiles will he need if a square tile, like in this picture, has a side of 1/3 feet? How many tiles will he need to cover the floor? I give you enough time to solve this. This is the same problem that we did yesterday in Savas. 30 seconds.
I pick random because I don't know.
Why? Yes, you
Guys,
can.
it's actually red, guys. Choose red, guys.
Why will you do it random? I give you enough time to solve it. I give you a minute and a half though. One second. Let's see how many people got this right.
Oh, I got it correct because I picked random.
Wow,
I picked random
only 7. That is
How did you
sad.
guys not get the answer?
That is sad.
It was just.
All right.
I get it now.
Oh my goodness. Remember yesterday we have this problem that says 27, I think it's the room, but this time the room is 30. You need to find how many tiles are there how many square tiles we could put in the 30 square foot tiles. So you know the area of a tile is 1/3. And you know the area is 1/3 times 1/3. We did exactly like this yesterday, except that is 27. So you hate this. So that's 27 divided by 1/9. We know that we could just multiply the reciprocal. It's not rigged. It's a real math, man. I'm telling you. The reciprocal is 1/9 is 9/1, which is exactly gives you the answer. That is what? What is the answer that tells you for this? Answer is 270. 27 times 9 is 270. So you need 270 tiles. Ay, ay, ay. Well, anyways, let's see who's the winner. Let's see who's the top one. Raymond? Woo woo! Third one, second will be Joy, and the first one will be Helena. Nice job. And then we got runners up with Zealand and Jackie. Congratulations, guys. So with that said, those Helena gonna get 110, Joy and Raymond, and the other two will here. Did you see the full report? I could click here and see the report for our presentation for our task for today. All right. So congratulations for that. I'm gonna put that in your Google Classroom. And since you've been doing so great, and it's already 1:08, you have like how many minutes? 4 minutes before your next class? Unless you have question. You got question? It's okay. It's a nice way to review, and you guys will not feel bad that as long as you participate, you got that score. So you don't have to worry. All right. So okay. So I'm giving you permission to leave. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye everybody.
Bye. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.